Hi, this is Raymund.
And Ryah here,
And
welcome to Bricks Laboratory.
This is part 10 of our Rebuilding our Lego City video series. And this is going to be the last part of the rebuilding because we have already finished
Yes.
New Heroville. And we will do a walkthrough for all of you right now. So let's do it.
Let's do it.
So this is the new layout of our Lego town. We are now calling it Lego Town and not Lego City. Our Lego town called New Heroville.
Yep. And okay, the realm is the realm we imagine is called Heroville, and the town is called New Heroville Town or New Heroville.
Yeah. So the size is 7 by 5 base plates or 6 by 4 feet in its area. The main town is here. Well, there's the beach and the ocean side. So let's start here in the rightmost corner, which is the private beach of the Bricks family. So this is the beach of the whole beach of New Heroville, and it is divided into 3 parts. This private beach that we're going to show you right now, then the hotel and beach resort, and the Coast Guard area. This is the new version of Ryah's beach house. I have remocked it and I will make a separate mock review to show you what is inside and how it is. So before, it is only a single story, right?
Yes, like I previously built it myself to make it like a karaoke studio in the background.
Now it's a 2-story with the kitchen and living area in the first floor and the bedrooms in the second floor. You can access it from the inside and also from the outside. There's a stairway. You can see this is a lamp. Just watch your head when going up.
Caution, low headroom.
Yeah, there's a low headroom, but I think it works. And on the back side, there's the balcony which overlooks the ocean, which I think it's very relaxing. And on the ground floor, there's a dock, a small dock. Let's move this. Let's move this boat. There's a small dock right there.
It's the back door.
Yeah, this is the back door of the area. Here is a place where you can grill or just hang around with friends.
And like guests, visitors, etc.
So I think this is a much better version of Ryah's beach house.
For me, I like this better. And I want to add it in my new story.
The beach. So we are on the other side of the table because for a better viewing angle of the private beach. As you see on the left, there's another speedboat, and that speedboat belongs to Grandma Bricks, who also is the owner of the Dolphin Cruiser. So there she is. So there is the Bricks family relaxing on the beach. Wearing the green shirt is Mommy Bricks, and she's having coffee with Daddy Bricks. On the right, these are our sig figs,
Yes.
right, Ryah?
Yes,
And this is Ryah's sig fig.
taking pictures of the ocean view.
The views of the ocean. There's a starfish on her left, and a turtle. We have two dogs, Sky and Everest.
Originally, I made those Paw Patrol marks.
So if you're wondering where is Rafa, he's there playing remote control car with Ryah and Rafa's cousin Zion. So let's go back to the other side. So here is Rafa's sig fig holding a remote control, and this is the RC car, and this is the sig fig of their cousin Zion. Before we go to the next part, let's show them the Dolphin Cruiser.
And there's a bike that my sig fig originally used.
Yeah. So this is Ryah's bike. The Dolphin Cruiser is remocked. We remocked it to be minifigure friendly because there are no more mini dolls in our city. So as you can see, the cabin is designed now for minifigs and not for... Next spot would be the beach resort. Right now it's called the Sunshine Hotel and Beach Resort, and there are no people.
Don't know why he's there.
Because we don't have minifigures yet to occupy the resort and also to stand in as the staff of the hotel. But in our story, the hotel is just newly built. Here on the other angle, we can see the inside of the resort. Behind its tall walls, there are two swimming pools. One large pool for everybody,
Yes.
for everybody, and a small pool on the right for kids and for children. So there's a shower beside it because you are required to take a shower before going into the pools. And this is the dining area. There's a buffet table and one table for those who are going to eat. There's a grill here. And there's two chicken, but there's no people.
Don't know why.
Chicken thighs.
Probably if we have enough minifigures, we're gonna
Yeah.
put them there.
So
Right now we don't have enough
Yeah.
to put them there. That's
the-
why there's no people in there.
That's right, Ryah. So there are 3 beach chairs here, and there are some palm trees. I don't know if you can see it. And a sand castle in this side of the resort.
Tell everyone what that is. That thing.
On the other side, this is the main admin building of the beach resort. And there's the counter where you will pay your entrance fee. And some cakes and candies. They also offer it. And this is the admin building. Actually, this is not a hotel. This is only a beach resort because there are no rooms yet. We're planning to extend this, have a second and third floor, or up to fourth floor for the rooms. But right now, there's no rooms yet, and another shower here on this side. So that's the beach resort. So this is the Coast Guard area, and it's the largest area of the three areas in our beach, in the new Heroville beach, and it's actually being shared by the Coast Guard and the Surfing Shack, which is a jet ski repair shop and a surf instructor or a surf school. Let's just look at the Surfing Shack. This is the jet ski repair shop, which can be found inside. You can open this. I don't know how are we going to.
Maybe you can open.
These are the jet skis that's need to be repaired. So you can open it and you can see all the tools. It's dark. The tools inside. This is the ladder access to the upper floor where there are more tools. The other side facing the beach, another door, and you can put the jet ski inside for repairs. These are the two surfers, the student surfer and
Surfer instructor.
the instructor here, which owns the place, and this is the speedboat of Surfing Shack. This is the one of the assistant of the surfing instructor, and he's I think he's grilling some lunch, fish for lunch. There's a long boardwalk here going to the Harbor Master building or the Coast Guard station. There are two vehicles parked. One is for the Surfing Shack team and the other is the Coast Guard truck. This is a mock which I patterned in the real Coast Guard truck set from Lego. This is patterned after that, but we don't have that set, so we just made it. We just mocked it. So I'm going to have a separate video to show you the mocks, the vehicle mocks that we have made for the city, for the town. Before we go to the Coast Guard station, let's look at these two people who are riding on horseback. If I'm not mistaken, I forgot their names, but to the right is the owner of the Palace Cinema, this guy, and this is his daughter. The Coast Guard station is still the same building that we have been using since the beginning. It's here in the edge of the city, so it's hard to, you know, shoot a video. Yeah. So there's the Coast Guard Harbor Master. Again, I forgot his name. I just posted here. And there's Zuma, the dog, Coast Guard dog. I don't know if the video is clear. I'm having a hard time here. And there's a garbage can and a bush. And there's the Coast Guard ship. So this is the Coast Guard boat. There's the captain, communications expert, helicopter pilot, and there's the lighthouse with so many sharks and a skeleton. There's another member of the Coast Guard team which is patrolling the bay, making sure everything is safe. Custom fire station, so we have a separate video about this. The size is 16 studs by 32 studs. If I'm not mistaken, right?
Yeah.
And there's a garage there, and the living quarters here, and the main office there. Here's a mock fire vehicle that will be featured in a separate video, and that's the fire chief and Marshall. And the fire helicopter in this helicopter, small helicopter pad. Yeah, and the fire bell. Next one is our police station, which is a major mock for us because we needed a lot of bricks to build this. Almost depleted our bricks.
During the process of rebuilding the city, the previous police station
got
down.
broken. So we
It
needed
fell
to
down.
do this. So this is quite large, 1.5 base plates in size. This consists of the main office, the armory upstairs, and a garage downstairs, and the prison. The prison is the biggest part of this building, and There's no interior. Front steps is the police chief with the white police hat and his assistants. This is a impounded vehicle, a criminal vehicle, and it's being impounded.
Impounded meaning that they have
Seized. Yes, it's being seized. And this is the SWAT vehicle of the NHPD SWAT team. It's also mocked. I'm going to feature this also. And on the rooftop is the helicopter landing area. Here is Nick Fury, Maria Hill, Agent 13, Bobby Morse, and this is Hawkeye. This is Black Widow. Okay, Black Widow. I think they're chasing something or some people. We'll find out. So that is a police station. So now we're here in this lot or this base plate beside the police station. This is supposed to be a McDonald's, small McDonald's and a convenience store. And the back lot is like a small garden with a band, a stage, a band, and where people congregate and drink. And there's a motorcycle there. One of the guys here. It's a female bar people. And there's the band, which we call the youth. So the first lot here in the main street, it's supposed to be the brick bank will be set here. That's our plan, but since we don't have the brick bank yet, we just made some mocks to be placed in this area, this green area. And the first one is a mock croissant stand, which the instruction came from JC of Small Brick City, as well as this small kiosk. It's a convenience store, but it's an open one, unlike the other convenience store which is a closed building. This is an open one where you can directly buy from that person there. Then a small Ninjago building, a thin but tall Ninjago building here beside the town hall, and just some trees, and there's a motorcycle there behind the Ninjago building.
And who's riding it?
There's no one. And so that's what we did for this vacant lot.
I think I have an idea for this one.
What's your idea?
What if we use this to, if this might be for the Hart family, what if they go there and
Get the motorcycle?
get transferred to...
So maybe when we don't have the brick bank yet, this will remain here, which is the portal to Ninjago.
Yes.
Ninjago realm. That's good. That's a good idea. The town hall. Of course, this is a classic Lego set, and this is the main set of New Heroville. And there are two maintenance guys on top of the building there. Okay, so this is the town hall. Oh, and there's the wife of the mayor on the right side, and the wife of the vice mayor. The next is the house cinema, which also has a lot of people inside. Most of them are in Disney costumes. Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald, and Daisy Duck. Genie. There's the car with the driver. This works for the Palacinema. This is the entrance of the cinema. And as you can see, it's quite dark, but Genie is the one handling the ticket booth over there, while Gandalf is over here, the second ticket booth. This is a flower cart, a mock, which is being handled by a lady dressed as Joy of Inside Out. So that's the cinema. So let's go to the other side. In this side we have the Persian restaurant, which in our Lego universe is owned by Gordon Ramsay. So that's his sig fig. That's the owner of the Persian restaurant. On the side is a waiter serving Emmett and Wild Style. So they're having, I think, a meal,
A date.
on the Persian restaurant overlooking the beach and the ocean. So this is the only building here at the back, because we are planning to have here in the middle is the detective's office, and there is the garage. What do you call that?
The garage?
The one with the gas station. The modular with the gas station. The corner garage. Yeah, the corner garage. So right now, this is just vacant lots, and in this vacant lot for the detective's office is parking area and a park. So greenery for animals. I think is it a good idea to take away this greenery and put the detective's office?
If there are comments, I think I should let them vote.
Yeah. Okay, guys, put in the comments. Is it okay with you to take away this parking area, greenery, to make way for the detective's office? Okay. In this corner lot will be the corner garage. That's our plan. And right now there are the sig figs, or the custom minifigs of G.I. Joe characters that we made. So in front is General Hawk, and I don't want to mention them one by one, but all of those are G.I. Joe characters.
Yes.
At the far end is the ice cream truck, and here is a cleaning cart being pushed by one of the maintenance guys of the city. So that's the final lap in New Heroville, and we'll move on to the roads and show you the vehicles, right?
Yes.
Let's start with the East Street. So the first vehicle that you're going to see is a Lego Jurassic World vehicle, and you will see Owen Grady driving, and this one is the name?
Gray Mitchell.
Gray Mitchell, a boy. And perhaps they're going to the private beach of the Briggs family.
To have a certain visit.
I think they're going to visit the Briggs family.
And Rafa is gonna be like excited to see them.
Yeah, because Rafa is a fan of Owen Grady.
Rafa's a fan of dinosaurs and Jurassic World.
These vehicles are G.I. Joe vehicles. This is Scarlett, if I'm not mistaken. A couple of Joes. I'm not going to mention the names right here. And this is Lady Jane. And of course, Ripcord. So this is the truck that is driven by one of the maintenance guys of the city, and is used to transport
Cars.
This is the artist who is living on top of the Persian restaurant in the attic. And this is another vehicle of the maintenance team of the city. You can see the tools, the cleaning tools at the back. So this is the main street. This is an RV again, and there are cars. That's the mock SWAT truck. Cars everywhere, and there's something going on here. There are prisoners escaping from the prison. So perhaps this is
Perhaps.
that's why there's a truck there.
And why Black,
And Black
Widow?
Widow is there. They are chasing these prisoners. So I think we'll find out in the next update what happens. There's one more vehicle right there on the other side, which is another truck, a tow truck of our city maintenance or town maintenance department, which is being driven by the head of the town maintenance. Okay, so that's the main street. So this is the West Street. I think the street is vacant here because Rafa is always playing in this side. This is where he plays. And these are police vehicles, fire vehicles, fire department vehicles. This is a mock street sweeper, which I will feature again in a separate mock review video. And this is Black
Panther.
King T'Challa. I guess he's about to help catch the criminals.
And who's gonna sit in this space?
I don't know yet. And here also is a hot dog cart and two agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Melinda May and Sky. So let's go to the final street, which is the back street. In the back street, we have a dynamic scene here, which is again for our old followers. It is familiar, which is an accident scene. There's an ambulance. There's a driver there, and a motorcycle rider has an accident. There's the town doctor, a nurse, and his assistant right there checking on the patient, and here's a stretcher. There are two policemen blocking the road, this one and that one, and another two policemen who was supporting or backup. Vehicles here are the news crew of the town.
Wait, hold up. That RV van?
Yeah, it's the news crew. And this one, this is their satellite. I guess that's it for the walkthrough of New Heroville from the beach area up to the main town area. So that's it, Ryah.
And I hope you enjoy watching. Subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any upload.
We'll see you guys again in a next video. I don't know when. But that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now.